Oh, this is how they're going to grow. So we could do something like this. Let's learn this. So this method is called growing. It's called aeroponics. So no. So it goes around. So what's happening here is growing. Lettuce is growing. Chard is growing. Oh look! It's already growing.
Can I touch?
Pineapple. Yeah, just got it.
It's growing! Yes, now?
Oh yeah. It's growing.
They turn to soil. Got water in there.
There's water in there.
Crazy water lake.
What have you found? Oh, okay.
Put your hand in it.
No.
What is it?
Okay, let's have a look. No. There we go.
Wait, I want it to go back. Like so little.
Here, a honeybee wing.
So
No, you can see there.
my
Let's
turn
change
now.
this.
My turn.
And
I try.
shrimp eggs, okay? You need to put it centre there.
Wow.
Eggs of the shrimp.
I try. Oh, it's my turn.
Okay, it's okay. Other way round.
I can't see now.
Oh, you've done it the wrong way round. You done it the wrong way round. Okay, so go around the settings, so I've just done it. Look.
We can go a bit back.
Can you see that butterfly wing?
When it's my turn.
Okay, come over here then.
Now I can do it.
So you can see the butterfly wing.
Change.
Okay, now do a new one.
How do balloon and fish?
Okay, put the circle under. Yeah, no, just put it here. I'll show you. There you go.
Oh my goodness.
A fish scale.
Is that a one? Yeah, new one, Mom.
Okay. Okay, there's nothing there.
No one knows.
Let's do broccoli. I'm going to see Savannah what? It's the wrong way round. Do it the other way round.
Wait a minute, you can see that.
Yeah, so turn it around. No, other way. This way. Now do it. Now put it under there. Up. Oh. Silkworm. Onion skin. No, you do it the right way. You put it underneath. right. Oh, look, Savannah, worms. Can you see any worms? Should we look on the other side? Careful, careful. Right, do you think you can find any worms in here? Geena, get down. I can't see any worms.
They're under the leaves.
They're under the leaves?
I think so. I can't see one.
Don't think there is. Don't think there is any.
Get me down.
Geena, come on. You run off. You want to get a toy? That's a rubber.
Yeah, I'm not getting one.
That?
Yeah.
The bendy person.
Let me smell these.
They only smell.
I want to get one of these. This is cool, right? Can I get 2 toys? Can I get this?
Putty.
Huh?
Putty.
The dinosaur bird?
You need a torch, do you?
That's for not here. How? How I thought?
I'm not so sure.
One of those stars?
Yeah.
We got these ones.
Did you? No, you didn't. They're unicorns.
These.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, pick that up, help her.
You get your own batteries. You know what sheep?
Phew.
Are you going home?
Yeah. Did you have fun?
Are you going to get another toy?
Did you have fun? Oh, we got Putty.
And now you're going to get another toy.
You gonna get another toy? Did you have fun today, Savannah?
Yeah.
What did you learn?
There was a lot of stuff I can't remember.
Did you learn about gravity?
Yeah. You're going to frame me now.
Geena?
You're going to frame me now.
Yes, yes, yes.
And she was telling us stuff.
About beads?
Look at that.
Yeah.
Other stuff.
And did you learn about music?
Yeah, what's that?
It's the museum.
I thought I know.
Oh, really?
I thought I know.
Have fun? Good? Good.
We're going to another shop. This is putty.
Putty.
No, not. It's actually clay.
Actually putty.
No, clay.
Actually putty.
Clay.
Did you have fun, girls?
Yeah, I got a lot of clay. It has to be slime then.
We're going to go somewhere else now, aren't we?
Yeah, Sainsbury's.
Sainsbury's.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
And we're going to get another toy again.
Are we?
Yeah.
All right then. Say bye.
Bye, boys and girls. It was lovely to see you again. Yeah.